4 times while I was eating my burger, my good old brother-in-law right here reached over and tried to grab it from me, and I had to say, welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today we are in Statesville, North Carolina, and right now we're standing outside of the Broad Street Burger Company and we're waiting to go inside to eat.
And the Broad Street Burger Company is right in the middle of everything, right in downtown Statesville. Has a really cool vibe, just a real casual restaurant where you can take your family and just get some good food. And looking here at their menu, they have a ton of stuff to choose from. You got all kinds of burgers. There's just all these little specialty burgers that they make. You could have one every night and have a lot of variety. I don't know exactly which one I'm gonna pick.
All right, I've ordered the nacho burger. Now this thing comes with all kinds of good stuff on it. One thing it comes with is nacho cheese sauce. If you ever had a burger with nacho cheese sauce, it's gonna run everywhere, so it's time for me to prepare. I'm ready.
Here are the appetizers that were ordered. We have fried mushrooms and cheese curds. Could this be our food?
All right, my food just came here. I'm super excited. I got my fries. I got my nacho burger right here. I don't know if they found a big enough steak to hold it together. Let's see there. Look at this. It's got cheese. Look, that cheese is falling off the burger. This thing's gonna be messy. I think I need to upgrade. Much better. Here we go. That is good. I want you guys to zoom right down in here. Look at those jalapenos down there. How juicy that is. That is a good burger. Recommend the nacho burger. But wait, there's more. Carolina Reaper sauce. But see how this is. The Carolina Reaper. That's good. It's got a little bit of heat to it. It's got a really good flavor though. It's not too hot. My wife will tell you that I lie and that I burned off all my taste buds many years ago. But I just say I like spicy things, and that's all right. And that's a really good condiment for your fries. Perfect, perfect.
Favorite thing to eat here?
Probably the 4-alarm burger.
All right, and have you brought people along with you?
Yes, we have. I actually brought brother-in-law this week. So.
All right, I made a huge dent in my plate here, but I just had this awesome idea. This sauce is so good, and this burger is so good. What if I combined the two? There we go. The nacho burger into the Carolina Reaper sauce. That's got so much flavor, it'll jump up and slap you in the face. Oh man, that's good. Oh, yes. Now I had to get my burger eaten very quickly because 4 times while I was eating my burger, my good old brother-in-law right here reached over and tried to grab it from me, and I had to say, Boona, that's nacho burger. All right, guys, we just got done eating in here. You talk about some good food. That burger, oh man. nacho burger, would recommend it. All right, let me remind you, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button. Also, give us a big thumbs up, like, and if you know of any place we need to come, put it in the comments down below. All right, until next time, we'll see ya.